Every day inside the garage at his Levittown home, Rich Ronaldo likes to make a little music.
It's fun. It gives you relief, from the stressful day.
That stress is on the other side of the garage,
All projects in here.
where Rich spends his time
You could actually hear the sound.
making sure other people keep their music alive too.
I love it.
Rich is a third-generation technician at Lse Instrument Repair. In other words, he's a music handyman. How's it sound?
Sounds good. Should be good when I get it in tune.
His work has its own symphony to it. And Rich is a dying breed.
People retire, they get old, but there's not many people that take their place,
Rich says when his father started the business in 1950, he'd repair 1,000 instruments a year. Now it's down to a few hundred.
So here you go.
A national assessment of school arts programs showed music participation has steadily declined in the past 15 years.
Hammer times.
And while other stores will only repair certain instruments,
You got the reed guy, the brass guy, guitar guy, but I'm the everything guy.
and when the music handyman's work is all done and the instruments are all fixed, he makes the short walk down his driveway and into his house, where he grabs his guitar and gets that stress relief
Yo, music handyman, that's who I am.
by joining his brother in the studio and ending his day on the perfect note.
I said I'm your music handyman.
In Levittown, Kevin Marr, News 12.
There you go.